So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a chart here in Canva. Super simple. First thing you have to do is load up a document. Once that is loaded up, go to the left-hand side of the screen right here to the Elements tab. Press on the Elements tab. Now once you're here, I want you to scroll all the way down, all the way down, all the way down until you were greeted with the option Charts right here. I want you to press See All. Now you have a bunch of different charts you have access to. If you want to add a bar chart, you can view all the bar charts. If you want to add a line and dot chart, you can add all the line and dot charts. So let's just add one of each right now. Let's add a bar chart right here. There we go. If you want to change the information right here, left hand side of the screen is where you can change that. So if I want to change item 3 to 20, do that right there. Item 1 I will change to 25, just like that right there. That is how you can add stuff using the bar chart. If you want to delete that and you want to use a line and dot chart, there you go. You can change the data right here. Delete that. If you want to add a pie chart, you can go right there. If you want to upload your own information from either a Google Sheets or a CSV file, you can do that both down below as well. You can change the information right here. But pretty straightforward. That's how you can add a chart here on Canva. Hopefully this video helped.